everyone, welcome to VAGZ Backyard. In this episode, we're going to remove our T5 from the hoist bay over here. We'll do a switch, so we're going to be bringing the Passat in here. But during the process of the switch, I think when we get the T5 out of the garage, we want to try and clean up the engine bay over here and remove some of the grease that's here on the sides and that's laying over here. So let's get this cleaned up a bit. It will also feel better when we continue working on a later stage when we start putting in the engine. I think, yeah, first step, let's quickly get the lift down. So let's remove the... Let's get this down. Okay, so we fitted the front wheels already on. And what we did was we removed the drive shaft, so that's also removed to make it easy. So yeah, it's basically ready to take it out. It actually sits quite low still, even though the engine is not. And gearbox is removed. I think if it was a diesel, it would have been much lower. Let's go. Okay, go straight, 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 straight. Start turning. Yeah, turn. Slowly, slowly. Straighten out. Yeah, keep it there. That's fine. Here we got Zulfa with us. So she's been our camera girl. She's the one behind the camera in the previous videos. Zulfa is MS sister and she's helping us also on the project moving forward. Cool. Okay, so we're on our way to the local spare shop to get a cleaning chemical for the T5's engine bay. We're driving in our Golf 5 GTI. So this is a 2008 model black Golf 5 GTI. I never mentioned this before. So actually, the love for VW started in 2008 when I owned a red Golf 5 GTI back then. We had to sell this Golf 5 for several reasons, and now we're back on the same model again. This one here is a DSG, so we always explain this to people, saying this is actually the godfather of the DSG, and the external of this car is still original. So that's the plan. We don't plan to change it. We want to try and keep this as original as we can. On the engine side, we've just got the stage 2 that was done on the engine. So we've got a downpipe, intake, and a map that was loaded by APR. So with the T5, the plan on the R36, we will also go with APR. So we'll flash the ECU with APR and then also the gearbox ECU. So we're almost at the spare shop. Let's get our stuff and then start cleaning the T5. So here we've got a new product. It's called Blixum. This is a degreaser. It's a water base. So I think we'll try this one out. This looks like something new, so everyone's making quite a big noise about it. Let's give it a try, and then we'll still take my favorite Prepsol, and then we can do a comparison of the two. See, for Prepsol, we should have Prepsol somewhere over here. Yeah, so that's it. That's the Prepsol. That's the Blixum. Prices are very similar. We'll do a comparison on the left hand side of the engine bay with the one and on the right side with the other. Then we can see. Hey, cool. Check out this Jetta 1. This is still looks like it's still in original state. Yeah, it's a Jetta GLS. It's quite rare actually to see these ones. Looks like it's called the shit box. It's the shit box. Yeah, quite nice, interesting, eh? Hey, it's an automatic, huh? Check that, that's an auto. So these came in a 3-speed auto. It's very rare. It should be a carburetor, probably a 1.6, but you don't see of these cars around. Nice. Nice to see this. We'll try and touch base with the owner and maybe shoot some more videos later on with this. So I'm going with my favorite Prepsol, and we'll give Zulfa the Blixum. She'll do her half, I'll do my half, and then we check the result, what it's like. So we'll spray this on all the areas where there's grease, and then we'll give it, let's say, about 10 minutes. Let the chemical just, absorb into the grease to loosen up the grease, and then we'll give it some water with a hose pipe to rinse it down a bit. Okay, let's get started. So watch what I do, right? Yeah, that's all. I just spray it on. Make sure to get into all the gaps wherever we see just to loosen up all this grease. See, oh, it's nice when there's no engine, because now we can get into all the corners. You see what I'm doing, right? So these cables are gonna come out anyways, but the main thing is the chassis and the inside walls here. Take all that cleaned up. We just give this, let it stand, then we'll see what it does afterwards. To try and clean the chassis. So I'm only gonna stop halfway, right? Then we'll check what Sulfa's one will do. We can start on that side. And just spray it like that. Let's see. Yo, it can make your fingers sore, right?
It does.
And you're not used to this.
No, not really. Not really.
Not ready. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes and then we'll see when you're ready. But I'm already complaining.
That's fine.
Yeah, let's spray more. Let's spray more.
Yeah, try not to get the wires here.
Let's switch. You go that side, try and spray what I didn't spray. I'll spray what you didn't spray. So definitely if you want to do the full bay, you're going to need 2 bottles because I can feel mine is almost at the end there.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see when we're going to hose now what it does. Okay. Let's wait 10 minutes and then we try again. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to start off with the halfway flexible. Let's see what it does with some water. So, our conclusion, Zulfa, what do you say? I'd say Prepsol or Bliksem, doesn't matter, both are doing the same job. I can't see the difference between the two. Both are very satisfying. I can see clearly all the grease marks are removed, especially on the subframe. All the oil stains, everything is cleared up. Even the steering rack is looking much better. Yeah, I'm impressed. Prepsol, still as good as always. So I will always still stick to Prepsol. And Bliksem, I think we'll use Bliksem where we can. Good. Let's go. Next step, what we're going to do is we're going to, while this is busy drying off, we're going to bring the busing on this side here. But we need to clear out the engine. So I think let's disconnect the gearbox from the engine. And we'll get the engine fitted on our engine stand over there. So with that, we can park off the engine nicely in one corner of the garage, so it's ready for our next project. And then we'll have the space open here for the bus. And after that, we'll bring the Passat in on the lift, and we can start removing the seats from the Passat. Okay, let's go. So we're removing the gearbox. We got Zulfa taking out the bolts here, which MS shot loose already for us. Let's go, Zulfa. Make sure it's on the bolt nicely. Good, let's go. Did you catch the one underneath, MS? There was a bolt at the bottom, I think.
Yeah, I'm quite sure it is.
Is this one coming out?
I think so.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, you got 2. Okay, that's 2. So there's one more there at the bottom. Let's see. Make sure that socket is on. Does it fit?
No.
Oh crap, it's not gonna work there.
Yeah,
Let's do
it won't
this.
work.
Take out the socket, put this extension on. That's good. Let's get going. See if it fits. Check it out. Yeah, it's gonna work. There we go. It's quite nice because the light helps you to see there. Okay. There we go. Up, 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 up. Okay, good. Let's go. You hold it. Catch a good grip that side. I'll get a good grip here. The gearbox should come off. Ready? Let's go. There we go. Bring it down here. Put it down. Okay, let's get the engine onto the engine stand. Okay, jack it. Go. Getting there.
Keep going right. Okay, go slowly. Can go.
Go slow. Whoa.
Okay, wait.
Hold on. Okay, MS, you're gonna have to get it on there. Get the bolt on. Okay, it's locked in. Right. Drop. MS, you drop it. I think we're gonna get this thing down. There we go. Slowly till the chain releases. There we go. Okay. So it's resting on the engine stand now. Yes, well done. You can take off the hook. Take off the hook. And we are there. Well done. Good teamwork, huh? Good, then at least these two are together.
Yeah.
Hey, nice. Check so our garage. We got good space now in the whole garage. We can bring in the T5 on this side. We'll try and straighten it out a bit and then we can bring the Passat on that side. Not gonna work. One, go. Okay. At least we got it in. Oh, now it's okay there. Yeah. Sharp. Hey, we got it in.
Finally.
Okay. Hey, okay, so we just realized we actually need a lounge in our garage. So we'll be doing that in one of our episodes to come. We managed to get the Passat on the lift, ready for stripping, and catch us in our next episode. Please remember, like, subscribe,
And hit the bell so you don't miss another video.
see you there.